Mulugeta is a smallholder farmer in Ethiopia's Awash basin. His 5 hectares grow teff, sorghum, and a small patch of vegetables. In a normal year, he depends on the Belg rains in March and the Kiremt rains from June through September. This year, like several before, the Belg failed. What we are looking at is the geography of that failure. The Awash basin sits in Ethiopia's Rift Valley, between the highlands and the eastern lowlands. When highland rainfall drops, the river runs lower. Irrigation withdrawals tighten, and farmers like Mulugeta lose their second cropping window. The numbers are stark. A 2023 FAO assessment showed cereal production in drought-affected Ethiopian regions dropped by 20% compared to the prior decade's average. For households like Mulugeta's, that is not a budget line. It is whether the children go to school next semester or stay home to help with whatever cropping is left. Trellison Institute documents these stories not as anecdotes, but as anchored cases. Each name we use is a real person with real coordinates. The data layer underneath comes from official Ethiopian agriculture statistics, FAO drought monitoring, and household surveys validated by independent agronomists. We rate the methodology. We do not editorialize the conclusion. The conclusion belongs to the people on the ground. Mulugeta is watching for rain that statistical models say is increasingly unlikely. We are watching how the people who matter for verification, the agronomists, the extension officers, the household surveyors, describe what they see.